Welcome back. Today I'm here to talk about this James Taylor clamp carrier system. It's basically a bunch of clamps on a rotisserie. So this clamp system allows me to save space. It looks like a big machine, but the amount of space it saves with the number of clamps it has, it really does save space. So today I'm going to show you how this guy works. Now normally this is how I would normally do any cabinetry or joinery glue ups. Would be on a flat surface with a couple of clamps and be able to just glue something up, and then I would have to leave it either on a flat surface or try to stand it up and move it somewhere out of the way. Where this will save space by moving it and standing it out of the way, this can get a little cumbersome once you get into larger glue ups like tabletops. So the clamp carrier system eliminates all of that. It takes up a decent amount of space, but at the same time we are able to not have to worry about moving large pieces. So basically I would just roll a table over here, roll the piece off and put it on the table instead of trying to lift and move it around multiple times throughout a process. All right, as you can see, there's already multiple cabinet doors already in here. And the basic process of this is to put a cabinet door in, clamp it, and roll it down underneath the carrier. So basically how you do that is this little lever here stops it from going one way or another. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a little lift up. And then we're gonna pull this guy down. Get it ready for the next clamp. And then we just lock that guy into place. Take our next clamp door, put it there. Drive these guys down. Just like any other clamp, it's got a release on the back. Basically, once these guys catch, clamp that down. And we clamp that one down. And there you have it. It's that simple. Basically, I do that and just keep on going and just roll it on down again. Unlock it. And basically just continue to repeat the process for as many doors as I have. Now for this particular unit that I have, I didn't order this special or custom to my needs. I actually bought this at an auction, sight unseen actually, and I won the auction, so here it is. So this particular unit is 80 inches from this post to this post going this direction, and each clamp has a 32-inch capacity. So, and there are 30 rows on here, and each row is supposed to have 4 clamps on each row. Some other clamps have been damaged prior to. I have them, but they need to be repaired. So for the amount of space, I can't think of what the math is, but whatever 30 rows times 4, that's how many, say, glue ups I can do. And if there are smaller glue ups like cabinet doors, you can double that number. Now each one of these clamps are adjustable in the range here. So basically I can just give this guy a little lift up and I can slide it one way or another to basically fit the need of whatever the glue up that I'm doing. And so this can go that way as well. So this thing is pretty versatile. It's well thought out, and I think it's depending on what your needs are, it could be the right tool for some shop that's trying to grow, whether it be a cabinet shop or somebody making panels or tabletops. This could be a really good tool to have. Now, they are very hard to find. I don't know if these particular ones are made anymore, but they have newer versions that are a lot better than this one now available, and I believe this is a Taylor clamp carry system, but I think it's JLT clamps now that makes this system. So now Not positive on that, but I'm pretty sure that you can still buy these types of systems. Now, you probably won't get the price I got on this one, but they are still available to be bought, and most times you see them in larger shops. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you with some footage of this guy in action. But before I go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this guy, and share it to everybody you think that would think this is a pretty cool video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.